Let's do this.
Yeah.
How y'all feeling tonight?
We be making noise.
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 I read between the lines in my mind. The lines every time I pop. I see the signs with my eyes. And with my rhyme, trying to make the people realize that we're living in a time where we got to stay and fight. To find your place, it's like that. We're living and giving every day, cause time keeps slipping. I see through illusions and it feels like a tripping, rotating with solutions when my mind keeps spinning. Architects of the master, the questions to myself. What happened in the universe to make my mind feel? This way to make a difference in my time to help my people to wake up before we all see hell. I save myself, now it's time to say yo. From a dream or reality that's killing us all. Stay strong together or divided we fall. We the boys making noise, just listen to them. F.A.M. We the boys making noise. A force to be recognized as long to avoid the truth in the limits when we speaking to a voice. We do it for the people because the winners is a choice.
Yo, how can you time if you don't know what it is? Why you coming in God but not prepared to do biz? How can you make moves when you sit in the crib? And how do you expect love? You only get what you give. Sit busy with this cause you want a sideline. Niggas ripping heavy, go and put it on your timeline. I'm fine, getting better from my sunshine. Was living dark till I say I got to get mine. Truth be told, when I'm talking in comparison, I'm feeling like niggas smoking drug Harrison. Tripping, your moves, we don't care about them. Straight spit a dog with a lot of flip. Minding in my mind, trying to follow your gym. So every day I'm writing, so searching for my pen. Titty in it's all pops, and they say it's big image. Love easy while you worry about the digits.
Nowadays I'm seeing what most don't. Kinda like the job later pupils and chance homes. Kinda like the man that's way with my dome. Fucking red pill and blue pill, I'm taking a roll. Taking a roll, travel by the strong in the bull. When you drink shit's clean, as you water at home. All kinds of noble living, you're searching for true living. On the road of tradition, it's choosing human intuition. Touch religion that I roll up and split with. Watch a river rolling out the pot that I'm pissing. Universe is infinite, the possibilities endless, but opportunities in my community is it. And these movements don't elude the system, when these students are vicious and pursuing victims. Rich students and students sitting room from a distance. Dying in this pen like the roosters and chickens. We the boys making noise, making moves in silence. We call it a dry stitch. We wouldn't get because it's easier with traffic. So I'm flipping over the rules cause it ain't all flying. Got a tight group with the people I ride with. No need to be lying, all surprise shit. Together always leave the Eminem and no rapping. So we all real sides, one of the sidekicks. Don't repeat the vigilant words described. Hit it to the type of fiction that your bones describe with. Know the game is sick, so I'm gonna prescribe you straight. It's by the fans, thinking worse than I live. Boys making noise, you makes me dumb you down. You can end up in the ocean and stuck in the ground. Some people have to say tonight you stuck in my town. Cause I know that the fan be the lives around. Hey, yo, fam. We the boys making noise, a force every recognize it's hard to avoid. The truth in the limits when we speaking to our voice. We do it for the people cause the witness is a choice. Oh. Let's get it, let's get it. You gotta know what that it's not real without the you know.